Hello there, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. We're here in front of the Painted Ladies, and we're about to tour the Blue House. Come join me. Built between the years 1892 through 1896, San Francisco's Painted Ladies are a row of colorful Victorian homes facing Alamo Square Park off of Steiner Street. They are famous for surviving the 1906 earthquake in San Francisco. But to be honest, they're more famous for the opening credits of the TV show Full House and other commercials. Check it out. And today we will be touring inside the Blue Painted Lady house here on Steiner Street. Hi, this is Travels by Auntie Jennie, and we're here with the owner of the Blue House at the Painted Ladies. How do you book a tour here?
You can. The best thing to do is call me on my phone number, and just send me a text. Call me or text me, and you can show up, but it's better for me if you give me a little warning ahead of time. And you can get any of those phone numbers off like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. It's all out there. So.
Okay. And all proceeds go to...
Some of the money goes to charity, and some of it goes to restoration projects all over the place. So in this house and some other places too. So
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care now.
So we just did the tour. The Painted Ladies consist of 7 Victoria homes off of Steiner Street here. And we did the Blue House. We actually booked our tour through booking.com, which is affiliated with Viator. It's a really nice tour. Unfortunately, you cannot film inside the house, but it's a really, really nice tour. And again, it's in front of the Alamo Square Park here. So if you go up there, you could have a better view of the Painted Ladies. He actually gives you like a history of the Painted Ladies, how it all started, who actually built it, who actually lived there in the past. And it's real interesting how this whole area, including the park, how it used to look. He was basically saying, like, this used to be a bad neighborhood. Yeah, so here's all 7 of the Painted Ladies, and we did the tour at the Blue House right here. It is a little walking tour. Unfortunately, if you're not mobile, because you have to climb stairs, 2 sets of stairs, but it's really worth the visit to see how these Victorian homes looks inside. So when we did the tour of the Painted Ladies, he mentioned that this one right here used to be the very first house that was built, that used to be owned by the Sutros, but it got knocked down and it was made into apartment complex. But the Blue House was one of its neighbors right there. Tours are done daily and starts at 4 p.m. and it lasts about 90 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. And as always, thank you for watching Travels by Auntie Jennie.